Normally, when you use subscriptions with quantity breaks, all bundle tiers share the same subscription plan, so customers would need to manually select both the bundle quantity and the correct subscription option. But what if you want each quantity break to automatically use its own subscription plan? In this video, I'll show you exactly how to set that up using Kaching bundles and Kaching subscriptions. What we're basically doing is linking each quantity break to a different product variant and then connecting each variant to its own subscription plan. Sounds complicated at first, but once you see the setup, it's actually pretty simple. Step 1. Create variants. First, go to your Shopify product. In this example, I'm using a supplement product. Now create separate variants that will act as anchors for your subscription plans. For example, monthly, quarterly, yearly. You can keep the same pricing across all variants. Later, you'll have options to add discounts either inside the subscription plan or inside each bundle tier. These variants are what allow Kaching subscriptions to know which subscription plan to display. Step 2. Create selling plan groups. Now open Kaching subscriptions. Here's where we connect each variant to its own subscription logic. Start by creating a separate selling plan group for every variant. So one for monthly, one for quarterly, and one for yearly. I'll start with the monthly variant. Create the selling plan, assign the monthly product variant, and set the subscription frequency to monthly in this case. You can also adjust the other subscription settings if needed. Once that's done, simply repeat the same process for the other variants. So I'll create one selling plan for quarterly with delivery every 3 months, and another one for yearly with delivery every 12 months, each connected to its matching product variant. Now every variant has its own subscription frequency and schedule. If you preview the product page now and switch between variants, you'll notice the subscription plan updates automatically. That means the connection is working correctly. Step 3. Create quantity breaks bundle. Now let's connect everything together inside Kaching bundles. Select your product and enable the subscriptions bar. Now create quantity breaks that match the subscription variants. So in this setup, the monthly supply tier will be for 1 item, the quarterly supply tier for 3 items, and the yearly supply tier for 12 items. It's also recommended to add discounts for higher quantities. For example, a discount for 3 items and a bigger discount for 12 items. This makes the higher subscription options feel more attractive. Step 4. Assign default variants. Now for the important part. Inside each quantity break, assign the correct default variant. Quantity 1 uses the monthly variant. Quantity 3 uses the quarterly variant. Quantity 12 uses the yearly variant. This is what links the quantity break to the correct subscription plan. Before publishing, hide the theme variant picker and disable let customers choose different variants for each item. This keeps the experience clean and prevents customers from breaking the logic. And finally, adjust each tier naming or text if needed. Now your product page will show multiple quantity break options, with each one connected to its own subscription plan. It's a really clean way to offer monthly, quarterly, or yearly subscriptions directly through quantity breaks. But if you want to capture even more subscribers after checkout, watch this next. I'll show you how to add subscription offers to your post-purchase upsells in under 2 minutes.